Hello geek and repair fan, welcome to another tutorial from troniccenter.com. Today we will show you how to replace fan, right side and left side fan on 15-inch MacBook Pro Retina display A1398. Get your tool ready. Let's begin. Open the bottom case screws. Take the bottom case out. First thing first, unplug the battery. Pull the gasket. Open fan screws. Some of them accessible, some of them not. Open the accessible one. Take the I/O board flex cable out. Now you have access to the other screws. Lose the LCD cable. Open the other screw. Now you have access to the cables. Just pull it out gently. Now the other side. Lose the connector tip. Now you may replace the new ones, the clean one. Before that, it's better to brush around the area, the fan areas. The brush should be anti-static brush. Don't forget to close the tip connector after replacing the fan. Now second side. Close the connector tip. Now just tied up the screws. Return the LCD cable in the same position. Put the flex cable in the same position. Bottom case back in the same position. Close all the screws around the bottom case. Now your laptop is ready to start. For your next repair project, please visit us at www.troniccenter.com to find all tools and original pre-owned part for your repair project. We hope you enjoy this tech episode. Please do not forget, like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming tech videos. Thank you.